Picture this, a person who is practical, humble, and unpretentious. This is what we mean when we say someone is down to earth. The idiom down to earth signifies a person who is realistic and grounded. They don't have an inflated sense of self. The phrase likely originates from 20th century aviation, where coming down to earth meant landing and being grounded in reality. It's about having a practical approach to life and avoiding extravagant dreams or arrogance. A down-to-earth person is relatable and sensible. For example, imagine a successful CEO who still shops at local markets and engages with everyone sincerely. That's down-to-earth behavior. Sentence 1. Despite her fame, the actress remained down to earth, always making time for her fans. Sentence 2. Maria's advice was always down to earth, focusing on practical solutions rather than lofty ideas. Sentence 3. The new manager is so down to earth. She listens to everyone's concerns and takes them seriously. Sentence 4. I admire how down to earth my grandmother is. She always shares wisdom from her life experiences. Sentence 5. Even after winning the lottery, John stayed down to earth, continuing to live in his modest home. So, next time you meet someone who is unpretentious and practical, you can say they are truly down to earth. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more language tips and tricks. See you in the next video.